Welcome to lush green eco-friendly campus of Modern Public School Bhiwadi Adharshila, situated near Capital Mall Bhiwadi, to nurture early 7 years of a child in a scientific way. India's Best Architectural Design Award by NDTV and Best Preschool in Alwar District by Education World and Education Today. The campus is a Bala building, which means building as learning aid, where each and every nook and corner has one or the other concept to learn in a fun-filled manner. To use the building creatively to facilitate everyday learning and lifelong exploration, the school features an extensive array of child. The street side of the school is accented with warm colors, reflecting their south-facing solar orientation, and on the north side of the school uses playful arrangement of cool colors such as green and blues, echoing the natural expression of the moss that grows on the north side of the school. GPS and CCTV installed transport caters to required all safety and security measures. Equipped with proven next-gen teaching technique and scientifically informed facility design of the campus with top-notch edu-sports and performing arts infrastructure provides strong foundation for hands-on activities. The campus is Wi-Fi enabled with 25 IT-enabled classrooms, 5 activity rooms, amphitheater, kitchen garden, e-lab, computer lab, which provides a joyful and secure environment to the preschool learners. Puzzle corner, STEM corner, and reading corner in every class adds to skills required for 21st century learners. Hands-on technology blended with seamless learning in the lap of nature has abundance to facilitate the learning environment. The school's design takes advantage of the topography of the site to create distinct tiered academic zones and separate exterior play spaces for early childhood. The school has been designed as an eco-friendly building with no artificial light and air conditioners, and this is a positive example of a solution to global crisis of environmental pollution. Strong foundation of numeracy and literacy skill are built with experiential learning, colorful tunnels, small bridge, small mountain, inbuilt Lego wall, jumping and climbing arrangement of wooden planks, and colorful tires serve the purpose of early childhood care. Beautifully designed slides and rides with different geometrical patterns is a real feast when out of the classroom. Inbuilt road ethic area with various road signages equip the learners with road safety habits. Kitchen garden sets another stage for learning in sync with nature. Experiential learning setups like airport, bank, news channel, performing art area, encourage creative expression and overall development of a child. Aesthetically and creatively designed amphitheater is a great platform for understanding of self and the world. Dance and music room set another stage for much needed skills for 21st century learners. Separate washrooms for boys and girls are on all the floors. Thanks a lot for virtually visiting this beautiful campus with me, which is specially designed for early 7 years.